So I heard that the Ivy Park for Adidas collection would have a lot of unisex pieces, so I decided to check the collection out. There was a few items that I was really interested in, but the site didn't do a great job on sizing. For example, if it was a unisex pair of track pants, it wouldn't tell you what the male model wore, and then some of the shoes only had one size, so you didn't know if that was the female size or the male size you were ordering, so it was confusing. Luckily, the pair of shoes that I really wanted had the male size on it, so I knew exactly what I was ordering. So these guys are a pair of HighTops in this really fresh mint color. I like how they kept the body of the shoe completely monochromatic. The tongue is actually made out of a neoprene material. It's different than the rest of the shoe, but that's really comfortable. So I'm pretty sure all the shoes came with this keychain that says Ivy Park. And I like how they kept the sole of the shoe darker. Overall, a very well designed shoe.